back side of the property. We gotta do this whole edge here, going all the way up. We're gonna push everything back to the big tree line. And then there's something over in here we're gonna push. But we got the top side done. We're gonna start on this. Might finish today. Let's see. Well, we got that done. So in 3 days, we got the top field, which is up there. I showed that video a couple days ago. And we got all of this down to one hedgerow. And we got that bottom. And if you go around the bend, we had to do another little section over there. So we got it knocked out. We'll try to knock out a couple smaller jobs tomorrow. And we're gonna shut down for the 4th of July.